Consider the remarkable ability of speech, a faculty we often use without a second thought. From our earliest years, the ease with which we express ourselves through words is a testament to a profound blessing from Allah, one that is integral to our very being, yet frequently overlooked. This gift of speech granted by Allah is more than a mere tool for communication. It is a sacred trust imbued with purpose and responsibility. In the grand design of Allah, speech is a means to glorify Him, to spread His message, and to reflect upon our existence in His creation. The Quran, in its divine wisdom, highlights the significance of every word we speak.
كلا سنكتب ما يقول ونمد له من العذاب مدا ونرثه ما يقول ويأتينا فردا.
No, indeed, we will write down what he says and extend for him the punishment greatly, and we will inherit from him what he says, and he will come to us alone. This passage vividly reminds us that our words are not ephemeral, they are recorded, remembered, and we are accountable for them. Yet many of us speak carelessly, unaware or unconcerned that our words echo far beyond the moment. The Quran warns us of this oversight and the meticulous record kept by the guardians of our deeds.
وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ لَحَافِظِينَ كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ.
And they are over you custodians, noble and writing. They know what you do. This serves us as a reminder that nothing we say is lost or forgotten in the sight of Allah. On the Day of Judgment, even our bodies will testify to our spoken words.
وَقَالُوا لِجُلُودِهِمْ لِمَ شَهِدتُّمْ عَلَيْنَا قَالُوا أَنطَقَنَا اللَّهُ الَّذِي أَنطَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ وَهُوَ خَلَقَكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَإِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ.
And they will say to their skins, "Why bore you witness against us?" They will say, "God gave us speech, who gave all things speech, and He created you the first time, and to Him are you returned." This verse portrays the inescapable reality of our accountability to Allah, making it clear that our words, like our actions, bear witness to our faith and character. In this light, the true believers stand out. Their words reflect their deep awareness of Allah's presence and their commitment to live by His teachings. They understand that every word spoken is an opportunity to earn Allah's favor or His displeasure. We will seek to explore the power and responsibility of speech in Islam. It seeks to reveal how adhering to the teachings of the Quran in our speech not only shapes our character as Muslims, but also aligns us closer to Allah's path. The way we use this divine gift can profoundly impact our lives and our hereafter, making it crucial for every believer to comprehend and cherish the sacred trust of speech. In the realm of human interaction, the power of speech stands paramount. It is the mirror reflecting the innermost workings of our hearts and minds. Through speech, we reveal our beliefs, ideas, desires, and fears. It is a medium that unveils our spiritual state, intelligence, and conscientiousness. The words we choose and the manner in which we express them often betray whether we are sincere and trustworthy or harboring dishonest intentions. Speech, indeed, is a defining characteristic of a person. In many life situations such as job interviews, it is the spoken word that forms the basis for judgment and perception. How one speaks often provides deeper insights into the character than any written document could. The Quran, with its profound insight, emphasizes the significance of speech in revealing a person's true nature. Allah says,
وَلَوْ نَشَاءُ لَأَرَيْنَاكَهُمْ فَلَعَرَفْتَهُمْ بِسِيمَاهُمْ وَلَتَعْرِفَنَّهُمْ فِي لَحْنِ الْقَوْلِ وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ أَعْمَالَكُمْ.
And had we willed, we would have shown them to you. Then wouldst thou know them by their mark, but thou wilt know them by the tone of speech, and God knows your deeds. This verse signifies that speech can be a clear indicator of one's sincerity or lack thereof. The way a person speaks can reveal their moral fiber. For those who possess sincere faith, their speech resonates with the purity and truthfulness of their beliefs. The Muslim way of speaking is distinctive. It reflects love and reverence for Allah, differentiating the faithful from the unbelievers. Believers, rewarded for their faith, are guided by Allah to speak in a manner that is noble, sensible, and appropriate. This ability to speak wisely is not a result of linguistic study or careful word choice, but a gift from Allah bestowed upon those with sincere faith. Furthermore, speech in Islam is not just a means of communication, but a vital tool for spreading the word of Allah. Believers have the responsibility to articulate Islamic teachings and moral values, especially to those unfamiliar with the faith. This act of conveying the message of Islam is a form of worship, one that is greatly valued and rewarded by Allah. The Quran eloquently states,
وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَوْلًا مِّمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا وَقَالَ إِنَّنِي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ.
And who is better in word than he who invites to his Lord and works righteousness and says, I am of those submitting. This verse holds a profound message. The highest form of speech is that which invites others towards righteousness and submission to Allah. In conclusion, the Muslim way of speaking is a profound responsibility and a divine gift. It is a reflection of one's faith, a means of worship, and a powerful tool for spreading the word of Allah. Every believer should strive to master this art, adhering to the principles laid out in the Quran, and seek to use their words to earn the pleasure, mercy, and paradise of Allah. As we embark on this journey of faithful expression, let us remember that our words are not just sounds and syllables, but the echoes of our souls, capable of leaving lasting impacts on the hearts and minds of those around us. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.